In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Barclays Smart Investor. If you want a straightforward way to start investing alongside your everyday banking, this walkthrough will get you set up and confident. We'll move from logging in to opening the right account to adding money and finally to choosing investments that suit your goals. Start by logging into your Barclays account on the website or in the mobile app using your usual online banking details. Make sure you're on a secure connection and keep your credentials private. If you haven't updated the app in a while, do that first so everything runs smoothly. Once you're signed in, you're ready for the investing side of things. Next, head to the Smart Investor area. Here, you'll choose the type of account you want. The two common choices are a general investment account, often called a GIA, and a stocks and shares ISA. A GIA is flexible and has no annual contribution limit, but your returns may be subject to tax. A stocks and shares ISA, by contrast, gives you a tax-efficient wrapper for your investments, up to the annual allowance set by the government. If you're unsure which is right for you, read the on-screen summaries and think about your time frame and whether tax efficiency is a priority for you. After selecting the account, it's time to fund it. You can move money in with a bank transfer or by using a debit card. Transfers from your Barclays current account are usually quick. Card payments are typically instant. Keep an eye on any minimum funding requirements and make sure the name on the funding source matches your account to avoid delays. If a payment seems slow to appear, give it a little time, as some transfers need to clear before you can invest. With money in place, you can start choosing investments. If you like hands-on control, use the research tools to explore shares, funds, ETFs, and investment trusts. Look at the fact sheets, fees, risk ratings, and historical performance, remembering that past performance isn't a guide to future returns. If you'd rather keep it simple, pick from the ready-made portfolios. These are diversified bundles managed to a stated risk level, so you can match them to how much ups and downs you're comfortable with. And that's it. You've logged in, selected your account, added funds, and chosen how you want to invest. Take a moment to review your selections before confirming and keep your goals, costs, and risk tolerance in mind as you build your portfolio. You're now ready to use Barclays Smart Investor with confidence.